Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about Hill cipher. Hill cipher is also coming under polyalphabetic cipher. Hill cipher is using the concept of matrix. So matrix concept is being implemented in Hill cipher. Okay, so it can be either digraph or trigraph, but it should be a square matrix. Okay, for example, digraph means it should be 2 cross 2 and trigraph means 3 cross 3. Okay, so what is this? What is the use of this matrix in Hill cipher? We are going to see today. Okay, so whatever cipher we are seeing, in that two main things are important. One is keyword and the plain text. Okay, so here we are going to see how the keyword is being represented. Okay, so the keyword, it can be represented either in digraph or in trigraph. Okay, here I have taken only digraph because trigraph will be quite difficult to you to understand. Okay, so nothing but the matrix multiplication is being happening, okay, in this Hill cipher. Okay, so in we have selected digraph. In this only 2 cross 2 matrix is being involved. Okay, so keyword is I have taken as Hill. Okay, so here 4 letters are there, so it can be represented in 2 cross 2 matrix H I L L. Okay, so for example, if only the keyword is having 2 letter like this H E, so in this case what will happen, you have to represent the keyword first and the rest of the thing with the help of the consecutive alphabets. Okay, it's not needed. For example, A B is already there, means the rest of the things you have to represent with A and B again. Okay, so if the keyword is less, you have to replace with alphabets in the consecutive order. Okay, and for example, if it is having extra HILLS, okay, so you don't need to worry about the extra letters. You have to take only the first 4 letters. The remaining letters you can leave as it is, don't need to worry about that. Okay, only first 4 letters you have to take. If 4 letters are not there, you have to take the first 2 letters, you have to take the letters as it is, and the rest you have to replace with alphabets. Okay, next we are going to find the place value for this HILL. Okay, for example, see this H. Okay, we are just starting from for A it is 0 up to 25. Okay, for H the place value is 7. Okay, so for H we are representing with 7, and then I 8. Okay, next L. Okay, L is 11. Okay, so we have represented in the matrix form 7 8 11 11. This is our keyword. Using this only we are going to encrypt and then decrypt. And one important thing is that for encryption you are just doing matrix multiplication, and for decryption we are doing inverse matrix multiplication. That is the concept we are going to implement in Hill cipher. Okay, now we will see about plain text. Okay, for example, I have taken the plain text as short example. Okay, what we have to do is you have to split the plain text into digraph, no, so we have to split it into 2 2. If it is trigraph means you have to split it into 3 3. Okay, so based on that graph which you have taken, you have to split in that way. We have taken digraph, so in this case what will happen, it will be divided into 2 letters. Okay, so split the column, split the plain text into column vector like this: SHORTEXAMPLE. Okay, don't need to worry about the space and all, only the text you need to take. Okay, for example, short. Okay, why I have taken means if the letters are not filled. Okay, for example, short SHORT. Okay, here one place is left empty, so in that place you have to fill it with X. Okay, so this is how we have to represent the plain text. And now we will see about encryption. Okay, so encryption process, what you have to do is you have to take the key and it have to be multiplied with the plain text. Okay, so what you have to do is all the plain text have to be multiplied, so it will be a big process. So I have taken only the first one, SH. Okay, so this one only I am going to do, the rest all have to be done in the same way. Okay, so first key and then SH, first text alone I have taken. The rest of the text, it will be done in the same way. Next, mod 26. Why 26 means alphabets, 26 letters are there. Okay, so you are representing 7 8 11 11 already we have found, and then SH for S. For S the letter is 18, and for H, where is H, and for H the number is 7. Okay, so 18 and 7 we have represented. Mod 26. Next we are going to multiply. Multiplication is nothing but row into column. Okay, so 7 into 18 plus 8 into 7. Okay, next 11 into 18 plus 11 into 7. So this, if you calculate, it will give 182 275. Okay, next we are going to find the modulus of this. Okay, so how to find the modulo? I think you know that. It's 182 divided by 26. Okay, 182 divided by 26, 7 times it will go, so the remainder is 0. So no remainder is there, so the modulo will be 0. And next one is 275. So 275, if you did 10 times, it will go 260, the remainder is 15. So 15. Next, if you find the alphabet, okay, for 0 it is A. Okay, and for 15, and for 15 it is P. Okay, so in the place of S, H, it has to be replaced by A and then P. Okay, if you keep on doing that, the cipher text will be like this. Okay, A, P, A, D, J, T. Okay, F, T, W, L, E, J. This will be your cipher text. You have to do for the rest of the diagrams also. Okay, next, decryption. Decryption will be quite difficult. Okay, why? Means we are going to do the inverse matrix multiplication. It's nothing but plain text 1 and plain text 2 is equal to K inverse. You need to find the K inverse, that has to be multiplied with cipher text 1 and cipher text 2. Again, it should be modded with 26. Okay, so the key, 7, 8, 11, 11, inverse 1, 0, 15, mod 26. Okay, now we have to find the inverse. For finding the inverse, there is a formula. Okay, formula, this is the formula. For example, this is the matrix, and A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into A transpose. Okay, so for determinant of A, the formula is AD minus BC. Okay, AD minus BC. AD means A into D minus B into C. Okay, A into D minus B into C. This is the cross multiplication. This how we can find the determinant. Next, A transpose. How to find the A transpose means, what you have to do, you have to shift these positions. Okay, so D will come here, A will come here, and then you need to change the symbol for this and this. Here it is positive, you need to change it to negative, minus B and then minus C. Okay, so A and B replaced, and then we have changed the symbol for this. This is how we have to find the A transpose. Okay, now we will find the inverse. Okay, so inverse 1 by AD minus BC. Okay, and then here we have done the transpose. This we have replaced, and then the signs we have changed. Okay, next 1 by minus 11. Okay, so now in this case, what will happen? There is no alphabets having minus value. Okay, no minus value is there. So what you have to do is, total 26 alphabets are there. So you need to take minus 11 plus 26. Okay, because minus no letters are there, so because of that you have taken minus 11 plus 26, which will give you 15, and minus 8 plus 26, which will give you 18. So that you have replaced here. Okay, 11, 18, 15, 7, 0, 15. Okay, fine. And then in the place of minus 11, 15 came. Okay, so it is nothing but 15 inverse. You need to find the value for 15 inverse. For finding the value for 15 inverse, there is a formula which is 15 nothing but the 15 into x mod 26 equal to 1. Okay, you need to find the x value. If you find the x value, that is the value for the 15 inverse. Okay, how to find is, when you are multiplying that value, and after multiplying, if you mod with 26, you need to get the value 1. Okay, so you have to replace with all the values. Here I have found it is 7. Okay, when you multiply with 7, it will give you 105. Okay, and then 105, if you mod with 26, it will give you the remainder 1, which is equal to 1. Okay, so the 15 inverse value is 7 here. Okay, so next we are multiplying with 7, 11, the same thing we have taken. Okay, now what you have to do is, you are multiplying this 7 into this matrix. Okay, and then we are just finding the mod. Okay, 77 mod 26 you need to find. Okay, 77 mod 26. If you find, you will get the remainder 25. Okay, same way 126 mod 26. Okay, you will get the remainder 22. Next 105 mod 26, you will get 1. 49 mod 26, you will get 23. Okay, you can find it with the help of Google how to find the mod. Okay, that I have explained you, which is nothing but the remainder while dividing from 77 to 26, what remainder you are getting, that's what the modulo. Okay, so for this matrix we have found the mod. Okay, again what you have to do, you have to multiply. Okay, so multiply with 0 and 15. If you multiply, you will get the answer 330, 345. Again you need to find the modulo. Okay, 330 divided by 26. Okay, so 330 divided by 26, if you divide, you will get the answer 18. Okay, next 345 divided by 26, the remainder will be 7. So this is the final actual plain text matrix. Okay, because here we are following the decryption process. This is the plain text. You need to find the place value for 18 and then 7. Okay, for 18 it is S. Okay, and for 7 it is H. Okay, so the plain text is S and then H. Okay, so this is how using Hill cipher you are going to encrypt the text and then decrypt the text. Only for SH we have done. In the same way you have to do for the rest of the text also. Okay, I hope you understood the video. If you find my video to be informative, please like my video, share my video and subscribe my video. Thank you friends.